Joe Rogan said, like, imagine you have an invisible documentary crew around you, like, yeah, everywhere, like cameras and people and invisible people, like looking, okay, what's Grecko's next move? Will he scam these people or will he do that? And I am right now still, I have a place in my mind where I'm always thinking like someone is watching me, and obviously, I mean, God is watching us all, but
Right.
some people forget that, and maybe me too. But the example with the invisible documentary crew is like amazing. And when you're like right before like doing like a wrong behavior or a wrong decision, I remember like, hey, they are watching me, like maybe my ancestors are watching me, like maybe we don't even know what's this life about, and then I'm like, okay, Greco, hey, focus, yeah, don't do, you know where you want to go, like, okay, it's tempting like to go to that party or to met this woman or whatever, but it's tempting, but no, bro, deep inside you it's wrong, it's a wrong decision.
Yeah.
And it's sometimes still you need to fight against you, but when you honestly realize it's always a fight, like every second is a fight, you
Yep.
always need to stay like aware in your mind. And when you like really realizing it, it will get a little bit more easy, I think, at least.
Of course. Yeah, no, of course. When you make a decision, over and over again, you're going to start to obviously be more prone to make that decision. It becomes a habit at the end of the day. So for me, I feel like in life, you're talking about relatives, you're talking about, people that don't necessarily exist in reality, right? That could be watching over,
Yeah.
right? Whether it's God, whatever it is. I do think that in life, it's important to have a mentor or to have a father-like figure, family that establishes that for you, right? You have respect for them. They are where you want to be in life to an extent, right? They help to set your goals. They help to provide a framework on how to think. And then from there, that person can help you to unlock this next level state that you're talking about,
Yeah.
where you start to think about it for people that aren't even necessarily here, right? And yeah, I won't get too much into the religion aspect and like the godlike aspect, because some people are so freaking,
Anti.
delusional with it. It's not a physical thing. It's,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? It's in the mind, all of this stuff. So that's a whole other thing. For me, it's very important for me to take care of myself physically. Doesn't mean I'm like the most jacked guy in the world, right? It's just, how do I feel good, about myself? Like everyone else, I'm getting older, I'm getting injuries, how do I maintain my body to a point where I can run, I can play sport or whatever, right? So for me, that's important, and that's how I help to continue to stay aligned, along with, trying to get educated like you were doing on different religions and different ways of thinking and different people and how they approach different situations. So it's really just more information.
Yeah.
Just acquiring more information, observing what that information is, not going by it as like gospel. You know what I'm saying? Like trying to understand what's useful, what's not useful. But yeah, we're it's almost like, because I've done a lot of interviews, right? And not everyone is thinking this way. There's like a few people, right, that are, but there is a few people thinking as deeply as you are, right, and as I am. And I think that, again, if more people took the time to sit and to do what you're doing, reading and cutting these people out, they would become like very successful and start to unlock the belief that they have the potential, right?
Yeah.
So where, like right now, right, where is the next wave of the Grecko brand going, right? What is
Yeah.
the potential for this?
Back then, I just wanted to have like a lot of money, but that goal I shut it off like very quickly, because, as I said, like with the whole journey, like you're getting matured in your mind, in your soul, and then like, okay, what's this life about? So my main goal right now is, to be honest, just to have like an insanely big community, to get as much influence as possible, and to teach like people, or show them. I mean, teaching, bro, I can't teach them, I'm still also learning. I'm a student of God, student of life, so I can just teach it maybe to a specific level, but after that, everyone needs to go his own way. Yeah, like having a big influence into people, like like how to behave, like, support your family, don't forget your family, have morals, have respect towards people, don't disrespect people, even as a joke, bro. Still, I see it right now here, still in Dubai, bro. People are still throwing like jokes, trying still to maybe hurt you deeply or whatever. But I'm thinking like, bro, that's like for me a sign that the souls are still like not evolved, like they don't understand that words have like a lot of impact. Like we need to take responsibility of our actions, of our words, but people like forgetting that stuff. They think like, okay, when I have 2 million, I am like a good person. Bro, you're not a good person. You're maybe successful, but you're not a good person, bro. So yeah, like the next Grecko will be like, hopefully one day, like 100K, 500K people, like knowing me, knowing like where I want to go, maybe teaming up with me, because I'm still like going this way so low, I don't have like a very good like friend on this business who still keep going with me. I have friends, good friends in this business, but they are still like, no, they're only like chasing like the next Lambo or yacht. Like, bro, what
Yeah. I like what you said. You're chasing the community. Some people might listen to this like, oh, he's trying to sell courses, right? And it's like, yeah, we're trying to make money at the end of the day too. Yeah. But the community it's so powerful, and we've gotten away from it, right? The fact that we can assemble a group of people online and we can all cultivate a group thought. We can all come together and agree on certain ideas and disagree on certain ideas and push each other to become better. That's how you change the world.